Watching idiotic ramblings with life is good. Keep the wheels turning and the chicken lights burning. Come on. Oh, and don't forget your high-speed chicken feed there, Roger.
Alright, so I'm sitting out here looking at Facebook Marketplace and pulling up campers. You guys know I've been shopping for campers, and I come across this ad here, and I like it, man. It looks really good. And it turns out it's like 5 miles behind my house. So I'm going to jump in the pickup truck and run over and look at it because it looks great. Let's go see if the pictures tell the truth. Okay, I'm pretty sure I can buy this camper now. It's a Saturday, so a lot of people won't take checks, so we ain't got cash to purchase this camper because I think I'm gonna like it. We'll go over and look at it. Go check it out. So my bank is open till noon on Saturday, so we're gonna go. So we come and got cash just in case we like the camper. If we don't like the camper, we'll bring the cash back. So let's go look at a camper. All right, so he's not out here yet. We're not gonna knock on the door, so let's just do a real quick walk around. First impression. Now this is a 2013. It's got a little bit of oxidation up, but not much, and the stripes are in great shape. So I like how the bottles are hid behind the fiberglass cap there. Power jack, single battery. I have a feeling my tailgate won't open because that's kind of short. It's probably because this fiberglass cap. Hey, look over there, chickens. Hello, chickens. So there's a slide out. Oh yeah, look at that slide topper, which is nice. And it has city water here. What is that? Black B&B. Is that? So here we go. So we got, wow, okay, 4,400 pounds empty. And gross is 94. So well within, oh wait, that's axles. Let's see. Tanks. I think it's it 4,400. Because the gross is 94.85, so it holds a lot of cargo. So there's no way we'll put that much cargo in there. So I think our truck can handle it. Manual jacks, slide, nice big windows. I hear you over there. And there's the sewer connections. So it has 2 gray tanks. I hear him over there. Let's go meet this guy and then we'll finish our walk around. Alright, so he came out here and opened the door for me. We'll get into more depth. Walk around on camera later. But all in all, I think she looks pretty good, you know. It's what, 6 years old? Looks to be in really good. So it's got 2 gray tanks, 1 black. I mean, underneath looks great. Axles look good, tires look good. Nice wheels. Nice topper on the slide. Those are 30-pound tanks. Indoor outdoor carpet. There's a table, jack, dolly. Let's go inside. Alright, so as we enter, here's the queen. Well, it's the camper queen. So, nice pantry, or I call it pantry. It's not a pantry, it's a... Oh, there's a cubby there, okay, with an outlet. That's why it was shallow. Hang your shirts up there. Nice shocks. See what this looks like. Yeah, she's nice and clean. appears to be in great shape. So I like how it has the vent hoods. Entertainment center, which swivels, so you can go all the way around. Put the TV in the bedroom if you want to. That is a really cool feature. Remotes, storage there, DVD player there. Curtains to close off the bedroom if you have company, but I don't plan on having company, so nice lighting. There's a sleeper sofa. I'm not a big fan of this style of table, but I do like the stationary table. And I guess that comes out and sits right here and makes a bed for the grandson. So that's pretty cool. And here's the bath. That's a real porcelain toilet. Lots of cabinets. So nice shower, which is not too yellowed, too bad from the sun, from those skylights. Medicine cabinet here. Sink. Decent storage under there. Wow, look at the storage there. You didn't even have a clothes rod up there. That's pretty deep. That's a big storage. I think what a man could do is put some plastic tubs for storage of extra clothing, t-shirts, whatnot. And I like this room here. So you could put like a little rack here with toilet paper and whatnot, you know. All right, and here we are in the kitchen. Nice pantry. The refrigerator and everything's working. It's plugged up. She's ice cold. It's a Dometic. So 3-burner stove. Oven does not have very little use in it. I don't think they use this thing very much. Microwave. Cabinets up there. Big deep sink to wash. They got a lot of these air fresheners, which is a bit concerning. So here's I guess you put a trash can down in there. So that would be the thing, learn how to organize everything, you know. So, yeah. Oh, look at that. How nice is that? That's what you get when you get a one-owner trailer. So, yeah, for $12,000, I think it's a good way to get into the entry-level camping. You know? So, that's a Dometic toilet. A real toilet. Fan with another hood on it. Ducted air. So, I think the only drawback is that when this slides in, and we'll show you guys when this slides in, you won't be able to access the bathroom. Unless you took the door off, then you know. So if the door swung the other way, you could get in the bathroom. But with the door closed, slide in, you cannot get in the bathroom. So you can get in here to everything except for the bathroom, which is the most important while traveling down the road. So let's buy it. I've been looking for a couple months. I think this is a good entry level deal to get into. Solid, you know, feels good. Feels good. So everything looks to be in good shape. I don't see no water damage. I don't see no fresh paint from trying to cover up water damage. So everything appears to be good. We're going to test out the air and everything before we buy it. Make sure everything's going good here, you know. And yeah, I think we can make this one work, you know. I think we can make this. I don't know about this mattress. It might be okay. I don't know. I'd try it. All right, let's go talk some business. Oh, you guys want to see the outdoor kitchen? So outdoor kitchen is here, which is on shocks. It's a big outdoor kitchen, left all the lights on. And then that's a pool. That pulls out. Nice little 2-burner stove there. Sink, nice little prep area, refrigerator right there. Look at the cabinet space out here too. Wow. Good place for satellite and TV connections. And then this right here swings around for your grill. I guess does that pivot over? I don't know. So yeah. Got a toy lock advanced security system on it. That's what this right here is. So I think that'll get us started in the camping world. I think we should give it a shot. Alright, we'll keep you posted. One thing to take note of, there's no way to do a home office. I mean, I can work right here with the laptop. I think if I were to put the printer, I think when we get set up, I put a stand right here with the printer on it. So we'll make it work. We'll figure it out. Or I can stick the printer. And well, it has to have its Wi-Fi. So I will find somewhere to put a printer. Because then I'm working on getting that downgraded as well, not having to have as much printing. So, yeah, I think we can make it work, you know. So, yeah. I think it'll work fine. Especially for the money. Paid cash. No payments on it. I think it will do the job. Alright, so there it is. I bought it. And give you a little quick walk around. Truck is nasty. So we gotta go home and wash the truck, wash the camper. And see, we're sitting on a slope here. See how it's tilted down that way? So it didn't squat her too bad. And all we're using right now to get her home, it's only 5 miles to the house, is my 2 5/16 ball that I use to pull my car hauler. So when I get this thing home, I'll go get me a weight distribution hitch and put on there. But yeah, so it is. Looks pretty good behind the old truck, doesn't it? So let's take it home, get it set up in the driveway, and then go to the camper store and buy a bunch of parts, because we need a lot of supplies. Power cords, water hoses, power surge protectors, water filters. We need the whole 9 yards. So we gotta go shopping. So we'll see you guys at the camper store. See ya.
Hey Tim, this is Ben Iron from Tuckahoe, New York. You are watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.